everything you do to market your business can be leveraged for SEO if you put the right spin on it in one way or another. The way you kind of want to think about it is like, all right, how can I get a link out of this? If we're going to be at a conference, do we get a profile for our company, like a vendor? Okay, can we get a link out of that? Great, awesome. One link is awesome. What if we're a sponsor? Do we get another link? You know, does our logo get to be at the bottom of the website with all the other corporate sponsors, or on the side? That's a second link. Oh, we should also have our CEO speak, that he gets an author bio, and that's another link. Even though it's an offline conference. And then when you're at the conference, if you're doing like live tweeting or live blogging or recap posts or press releases about the conference, taking videos and sharing them, you know, all this other stuff can generate links because you just keep them in the back of your head like, how do I get this online? How do I get this online?